Prof Brian Cox here. Well, tonight we're explaining how quantum physics works and how the quantum theory stacks up against other laws of the gravitational pull and stuff like that. But more importantly than any of that stuff, I'm going to be telling you, how does Superman fly? I'm going to calculate how fast Superman flies using a formula called the fireman's formula. This is the fireman's formula, and that's Planck's law, Planck's constant. I beg your pardon. That's Planck's constant, always under. So we multiply this by that and get that. This is the distance that Superman travels. This represents the area that he's travelling through, and this represents the mass of his body. Mass times the air times the distance he's travelled through the galaxy, the time it takes to get to that part, and then he then travels through the galaxy to the air pocket. That represents the air pocket that he travels through, and which then goes on to, we multiply this there by the mass of the mass of is you know what, the mass of how much he weighs. That's how much he weighs, so that's the mass of how much he weighs, and this is multiplied, then the whole lot is multiplied by Planck's constant, and you come up with a speed of to the power of 600,000, and that's how fast Superman flies. Well, you're probably wondering what all this nonsense is about. Fireman's law, Planck's constant, quantum physics. What it boils down to is this: Superman flies because he's wearing red underpants. That's why he flies. Now, I don't know if you've noticed, but they do not sell red underpants. Do you know anyone that wears red underpants? Have you ever seen a pair of red underpants in the shops? No, because red underpants, they make you fly through the galaxy. It's as simple as that. Superman can fly so fast through the galaxy, it's because he's wearing red underpants. And that is the reason. I know it sounds a bit ridiculous and a bit simple, but often the answers are simple. I don't know anyone that's got a pair of red underpants. If they did make red underpants and you bought them and tried them on, jumped out the top floor window, you would immediately fly off into the galaxy. It's as simple as that. Anyway, I hope I've explained it. Oh, just a minute. Hello?
Hello,
Brian. Professor Brian Cox
here.
Oh, hello, Stephen.
As well as I do
I wondered how long it would take you to
cannot fly with red underpants. You are a total disgrace to the scientific community.
I beg your pardon. How dare you? How dare you talk to me like that, Stephen?
I am going to come there and run you over in my wheelchair.
Pardon?
You are a total disgrace to the scientific community.
Look, if you're looking for a fight, you've picked on the wrong guy. Yes, you've picked on the wrong guy there, Mr. Hawkins. I shall come round there and I shall smile you to death. Let me just wipe this off. Pair of trousers, and over the top he places red underpants. You multiply the red underpants by the distance from his inside leg to his ankle, which gives you, and you apply some quantum physics there, so you apply the Planck's constant, and so roughly it gives you 600 million miles per hour. And there we have it. I love quantum mechanics. I love quantum theory. I love Planck's constant. I love Feynman's formula. I love it all. I love Albert Einstein. Do you realise Albert Einstein's brain is still in the laboratory? They're still doing tests on his brain. I just hope he's not alive. And on next week's programme, we'll be explaining how to mend a wheelchair. I heard that already.